The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the latest flagship smartphone from Samsung, is a technological marvel packed with groundbreaking features. From its stunning display and powerful processor to its advanced camera system and innovative AI capabilities, the S24 Ultra pushes the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. According to all the rumors we got so far, here are the 20 biggest new features and updates that make the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra a game changer in the smartphone industry. Number 1. Display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra may sport a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X Quad HD Plus resolution display. Number 2. Brightness. All models are expected to support a peak brightness level of 2,600 nits, way higher than the predecessor. Number 3. Camera. It is expected to feature a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zooming capabilities. Number 4. AI features. The implementation of AI in the Galaxy S24 series will be one of the brand's key selling points for 2024, as Samsung has given a lot of efforts to make the upcoming an AI-centric phone. Introduction of Gauss and other AI features will make the S24 Ultra the best smartphone in the industry. Number 5. Real-time translation. Samsung will use AI on the S24 lineup to translate messaging apps in real time with support for over a dozen languages. This single feature will definitely give S24 Ultra an edge over other flagships in the market. Number 6. Photo editing. AI could also be used to help edit and improve photos through generative AI techniques. This feature will surely give an edge to photographers. Number 7. Enhanced search capabilities. It will offer enhanced search capabilities on the S24 Trio, like highlighting any item on an image to find additional information about it. Number 8. Cooling system. The Samsung Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus's vapor chambers will be 1.5x and 1.6x bigger than their predecessors. Number 9. Processor. It is expected to have a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, an overclocked version that is optimized for the S24 Ultra AI capabilities. Number 10. Battery. It is expected to have a 5,000 MHz battery with super fast charging, up to 15-watt fast wireless charging and reverse charging. Number 11. Colors. The Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra will come in black, gray, violet, and yellow colors. And there will be some exclusive colors also that will only be available on Samsung's official website, Samsung.com. Number 12. Materials. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's versions will be called Titanium Black, Titanium Gray, Titanium Violet, and Titanium Yellow, and in case it's unclear, that's likely because the S24 Ultra will have a titanium frame. Titanium is much stronger and lighter than other materials, and the in-hand feel of the phone will be different from its predecessor. Number 13. RAM. It is expected to have 12 GB RAM. Number 14. Internal storage. It is expected to have up to 1 TB of internal storage options. Number 15. Connectivity. It is expected to have Bluetooth 5.3 and Wi-Fi. Number 16. Rear cameras. It is expected to have a 200-megapixel primary camera with AI capabilities, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 10-megapixel telephoto, 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel telephoto, 5x optical zoom rear camera. Number 17. Selfie camera. It is expected to have a 12-megapixel selfie camera, same as the predecessor S23 Ultra has. Number 18. 45-watt wired charging. It is expected to support 45-watt wired charging. No doubt it is way lower than what other companies are giving in their flagships. I think Samsung should at least give 100 watts charging speed to match its competitors. Number 19. Satellite connectivity. It is expected to have satellite connectivity that will come in handy when there is no network connectivity. It is the same SOS feature we saw in Apple's iPhone 14 lineup. Number 20. Generative AI features. It is expected to have generative AI features. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a game changer in the smartphone industry, setting new standards with its advanced features and innovative technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers an unparalleled smartphone experience. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting device. Remember, when it comes to the latest in smartphone technology, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the name that stands out. What do you think of these features? And which feature are you curious to try? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.